Who's that? You should have one to share.
Yeah, it's something wrong.
Yeah, the only one that hasn't got alcohol is this one. I don't know what
Pizza. Lucky smile. What have you got, Lucky? Chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken? Chicken and chips, let me see. Oh yeah, that looks nice. And we've got garlic bread and cheese. Logan, what have you got? Chips and pizza?
I got a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wait, I can't. One chicken and
You've got a lot of chips, haven't you? Let's video this food. And what have you got? Step back.
chicken burrito. And some
Chips on the
nachos.
left side. But I'm going to keep the chicken. Trying to duck something.
Leo, what have you got?
Another chicken burrito.
Wow. Oh my god, Luke, what have you got?
Chicken burger.
He's just removed all the best things.
Yeah, but I'm going to add them back.
Go on then, have a bite. Wow. There's a salad. We got Elvis here.
Look, most chips warmer than cream cheese.
You got chocolate cake leg.
yes.